Hey DAISO-HOLIC friends, I have a very affordable makeup look for you today, and guess what products I'm using in this video? Yeah? Yes, you got it right, it's from Daiso. And if you want to know what products that I used on this video, just keep on watching. I've already done my brows, and of course I've used my favorite eyebrow pencil from Daiso. And since Daiso don't have an eyelid primer, I will be using this one from Canmake, which is a very affordable one as well. And I'm setting that using my face powder from Etude. And since Daiso don't have a matte shadow, I will just be using this palette that I always use on my crease as a transition color. Since I have a hooded eye, I need a matte shadow. So this is the palette I'm using today, guys. It's from Daiso. First, I will be grabbing that light shade as my highlight, applying this onto my brow bone, and then I'll be taking the darker brown again from that same palette that we used first and deepening up my crease a little bit. And of course, don't forget to blend those edges. Yes, I'm using a floppy brush to blend that. And then I'm taking this shadow pencil that I also got from Daiso, and I'm applying this all over my lids as a base. And then I'm using this shade here, and I'm spritzing a little bit of that makeup mist to apply this shadow so that it will look more opaque. And I'm applying this on top of that shadow stick, and then I'm deepening up the crease using that darker shade from that Daiso palette. And then I will be applying or giving definition onto the outer V using the darkest shade of that palette as well. So now I'm taking the second lighter shade and applying this into the inner corners of the eye just to make the eyes look a little brighter. And of course, I'm applying this pretty gold glitter onto the inner corners as well. Going back with the first shadow to do some more blending, and of course I will be doing a wing eyeliner. I need to do wing eyeliner. I just love my wing eyeliner. It just makes my eyes look more elongated and big. I just like that effect on my eyes. And of course, I'm outlining my eyes using that eyeliner from Daiso, of course. And since I don't have any mascara from Daiso, I will just be using this one from Dollywink. And of course, don't forget to curl those pretty lashes, baby. And of course, we need lashes. Yes, this is the very flirty and full lashes that I got from Daiso. I really love Daiso lashes. So now I'm just applying this BB face cream all over my face using my fingers. This has a very sheer coverage. That's why I'm reapplying this onto my cheeks, because I needed more coverage there. Yes, and since Daiso don't have the lightest shade of concealer, I will just be using my MAC ProLongwear on my spots as well as on my under eye, and then I will just blend it using my fingers. To set my face, I will just be using this baby powder. Yeah, you heard it right, baby powder again. It's from Pigeon, and don't worry, it's very affordable. It's just around 200 yen something, if I'm not wrong. Since Daiso don't have a bronzer or a darker powder shade, I will just be using this one from Etude House. And of course, I will also be contouring my nose using this shadow duo from Daiso. And I love this blush, you guys. It has a more brown rosy undertone into it, and I really love it. It just looks so natural. And I will be using the lighter shade from the palette as my highlight. It's so pretty, right? Oh my gosh, I love it. So now I'm lining the lips using this peachy nude liner from Daiso, of course. Most of the products I'm using here is really from Daiso, you guys. And I'm finishing the lips using this yummy smelling lip gloss from Daiso. This is my favorite one. And then I will be finishing the eyes by applying that eyeliner into the outer corners and setting that with the darkest shade from the palette. I just love this technique on my eyes because it just makes them look longer and bigger. And of course, don't forget to put highlighter in the inner corner so that it will look more awake and sparkly. And since, yeah, I don't have any mascara from Daiso, I'm just using the one from L'Oreal. So this is the final look, you guys. What do you think? Don't you think it's so dang pretty and very affordable as well? So this is the final look, you guys. I think it turned out pretty well and pretty, yeah. I think so. It looks so, oh yeah. And I decided to do a bronzy kind of look that is appropriate for the daytime, of course. And yeah, this is what we've came up with. And oh my gosh, I am so impressed. So dang pretty. Look at that eyeliner, man. Eyeliner on fleek. So yeah, I was so impressed with all the products that I've used on this video that are from Daiso. Oh my gosh, Daiso, you're so amazing. Not all people know that there are a lot of good stuffs, makeup stuffs in Daiso that is really good. Yeah, like for example, the shadow palettes that I've used in this look. Oh my gosh, it's fairly pigmented, you guys. And yeah, as you can see, it really did a great job in creating this look that we have right now. Yeah, I'm quite impressed. And the eyeliner, oh my gosh, this eyeliner is just 108 yen, but it really stayed on my very watery, teary, and what else, oily and hooded eyelids. Yeah, quite amazing. Yeah, I'm so excited to share this to all of you. For those Daiso-holics out there, oh my gosh, you need to try this look, you guys. You need to try the palettes from Daiso as well. There are other stuffs also that is really good from there. You need to check it out. And that lip gloss that I used in this video, that was my favorite one from Daiso as well. I really like that. And of course, the lashes. Yeah. So I hope this video helps everybody, especially my Daiso-holic friends. Yeah, you don't really need to spend a lot of money on expensive products just to glam up and beautify yourself, because there are really a lot of inexpensive products that you can find, yeah, anywhere else, like in drugstore even, and especially of course at Daiso. Yeah. Yeah, my favorite place of all. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, everyone. And if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you next time, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Love you all.